Ever wondered what it feels like to trade on a platform that actually share its success with you? That's exactly what Yetch does. Meet Yetch, the on-chain trading terminal that is built for traders. Unlike others that take away all the profits, Yetch gives 20% of its profits back to active users. Which means when Yetch wins, we all win together. I have been trading on Yetch lately. Let me now show you how you can join me as well.
So right now, I am on the official dashboard of Yetch, and if you just have a look at the market section, you will find different options. First among which is of trending, wherein you can find all the trending tokens irrespective of their performance. Next among the option is of gainers, wherein you can see the top gainers in the last 24 hours. And currently the top gainer is Nvidia with a whooping 770,000% of profits in the last 24 hours. Last but not the least is the scanner, wherein you can find all the newly released token on a particular chain. And the best part, here is a list of all the various chains which Yetch supports. How cool is that? Let me now demonstrate to you how you can deposit funds. In order to deposit, click on the deposit and you will find all the various options. I have chosen the third option, which is of receive fund. All I need to do is send the funds in this particular address. Another remarkable feature of Yetch is the risk indicator, wherein you can find scores for different tokens depending on various parameters. So what I'll be doing is I will be choosing any one of the highly scored token. In this case it is Chudak. So let me now insert the amount of how much I wish to spend and then click on the buy. And that's it. Within just 2 seconds, my purchase was successfully completed. Yetch also offers sniper feature, which will auto purchase newly launched tokens as per the parameters that you set, so that you don't miss on any 100x gem. Next among the section is of rewards, wherein you can see how much rewards you have earned depending on the trade volume. Also let me tell you, Yetch runs on the tier system, wherein higher your trading volume is, higher will be your share from the 20% profit. Yetch also has a referral program wherein you get 1 level point for every swap that is made by your referrer. Lastly, let us have a look at my portfolio. Within just a minute of purchasing the token, I have earned a whooping 4.63% of profit. Let me now click on the sell, and that's it. I have earned a whooping 4.56% of profit.
Yetch isn't just a platform, it is the future of aligned trading.